Hello friends, this is Autocad tutorial video 9. In this today's tutorial video we will learn about hatching option. Before that please subscribe this YouTube channel so we will get the new updated videos every day. Okay, now let's go to the lesson. Okay, so as I said we are going to learn about hatching. So for hatching, it's a very useful command, just like we learn about layers and grouping in our previous tutorials. So this hatching option also will be very useful for the drawings, and so I will show you how to do the hatching. So for that first I'm going to make a rectangle. So I take the rectangle from this draw tab, home tab, and this in the draw area I'm taking the rectangle. It's asking to select the first corner point, and the other corner point. Okay, I have created one rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hatch this rectangle. So for that you have to type hatch, H-A-T-C-H, hatch. So once you give the hatch command is active now, and also here you can see the hatch options are available here. So here these are the different types of hatching. This is solid, this is angle, this is like lines hatching, this is double line hatching, and also if you click this down arrow here you can see the lot of different types of hatching. This is using, this can be used for wall, and this is for concrete, and also there is a lot of different types of this is gravel, and different types of hatching options are available here. So currently now we will use solid one. So we take the solid and you just keep the cursor inside the object. Here we are going to hatch the rectangle. Just I am keeping the cursor inside the rectangle, and it will show how the object will be hatched. Okay, so I didn't click that yet. Once you click inside, then the hatch option will be added to this hatch will be added to this object, the rectangle. So I kept the cursor inside the rectangle, and I click on that, and you can press enter to close the hatching. Now the rectangle is hatched, you can see that. Okay, not only the rectangle, whatever object you have you can hatch it. For example, I'm taking the circle here, and it's asking me to select the center point of the circle. So I'm selecting center point, I make on circle, and I'm going to hatch this circle. So I'm typing hatch, and you can see here it's asking to pick the internal point or select object. You can select the object also, otherwise you can pick the internal point inside of the any object. Just click that, then the hatch will be set to that object. Okay, and this is solid hatch, and also you can use the other types of hatch. For example, if you don't want the hatch, you can just select the hatch and delete it. For example, I have selected this hatch. Also I have, if you just click on the hatch, it will be selected, and you just press the delete key, then it will be deleted. Similarly for this also, and it's deleted. Now we are going to give different hatching, HATCH. You have to select here the hatch, what type of hatch you are going to use. In this time I'm going to use this type of hatch. Just click that and click inside the object and press enter. It's asking the specified hatch pattern, and the scale will create a dense hatch pattern. What do you want to do? You can give just automatically adjust the hatch scale. Okay, but we have given the line, but it looks like solid one. Actually the thing is, if you zoom it, it's showing the lines. So what you have to do, you can scale this. For example, now once you click that, the hatch option will be shown here in this. Here if you go here, in this properties tab, here you can see this is the scaling for that hatch. So here it's given 10, the value is 10. Can give 100. So if you give 100 and click somewhere outside, still it's big only. Maybe you can give 1000. Yeah, see, now the lines, the scale is increased. Okay, and like if you give maybe 2000, that will be better, I think. You can see this is perfect now. So you can adjust the scale of the object also. Similarly, you can give the hatching for this rectangle also, sorry, the circle also, and it's asking the same, and you can give automatically adjust it. Here again you can scale it to 2000, so it will be visible. Yeah, that's it. So this is how you can make the hatching for the objects. And also, as I said, you can edit the hatching scale, and also there is some other editing option also, like this one. This is the angle, like now it's on 0. If you give like 90 degree, so it will be changed in this direction. The angle of the hatching, it is changed according to the value we are giving here. So if we give we can adjust the, we can pull this also to change the angle. Pull it in, pull it back, it will change the angle. Also you can give the value here. If you give 0, then it will set to the standard scaling, standard angle, 0 angle. If you give 90, then it will go. If you give 45, it will go straight, because it was in 45 degree. So when you give 45, it will go 90. It will go straight, and it will go back to 0. Yeah. So this is how you can give the hatching for the objects, and also you can change the color of the hatching. Just click the hatch and go here, and you can give a color. If you want to give red color, then red color is given to the hatching. And also you can change the color if you want, like green, it will be changed to green. That's it. So this is how we can do the hatching for the objects. I hope this useful for you, and please keep watching the new videos, new tutorial videos, and please subscribe this YouTube channel so that you will get the new updated videos, tutorial videos. Okay, and please don't skip the tutorial video in between. So if you do that, then maybe you will miss something. So please keep watching from the beginning to end, so you will understand clearly. And please subscribe this YouTube channel, and please like this video. Thank you.